Welcome back to the channel. Let us work on order of operation, and we are going to use PEMDAS. Our questions say, work out, we have 60 divided by 2 square plus 5 in the bracket 3 plus 2. According to PEMDAS, we start with parentheses, then we go to exponent, after that multiplication or division, and we finish with addition or subtraction. Our question has parentheses, so we are going to start with parentheses. That is, we have 60 divided by 2 square plus 5. Between parentheses and 5, we have multiplication sign. 3 plus 2, we get 5. Then when we go back to PEMDAS, we go to exponents, and we have 2 square. We are going to work here. That is going to be 60 divided by 2 square is the same as 4 plus 5 multiplied by 5. Already we have done with exponents. Now we go to multiplication or division, and we have the division here, and since we work from left to right, we are going to start with 60 divided by 4. We get 15 plus 5 multiplied by 5. Still we are working on multiplication or division. We have 5 multiplied by 5, 15 plus 5 multiplied by 5, we got 25, and at last we are going to do addition. 15 plus 25, we get 40. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.